What's up, guys? Today we are gonna be playing Blox Fruits, and I am in third C, and look, I have butter, and I have full body haki, and don't you dare flex, and look at this, and it does. I don't know what that means, but I know what these means. It says against any attack, 500 energy and 250 health. This blue spiky coat. So come. So come. Okay. Now I have highest bounty in server. So I can go to third C. I'm in third C now, guys. Bro, nah. Listen. Bro, nah. Listen.
I got 700.
Listen first. You're on wreck. You're on YT. I'm on teleport to third C for proof.
Wait.
Bro! He left. So, I'm in third C. So, this is the proof. This is just literally proof. Third C, bruh. Third C. I'm going to third C. My avatar looks mad goofy.
Hey,
See, I'm in
I
third
can't
C.
lose health either.
Third C. So, bye guys. This was the video to show me proof. To show you guys proof. Bye. Okay. Okay, guys. Bye.